Today we're going to backwash a pool filter. So, first things first, we're going to go and we're going to press stop. Once we hear it cycle down. This is currently set at filter. You can see it's on filter. We are going to press it down and then turn it all the way over to backwash. And then we are going to hit resume. And it takes just a minute. And there is a little window back here. You'll see it gets really kind of icky and gross. And it is backwashing. Go back and we're going to hit stop. You can hear it cycle down. And then this is an important step that we go ahead and put it from backwash to rinse. And there's the rinse setting right there. Again, we're going to hit stop resume and we'll hear it cycle up again. And same thing like before. And then we're going to hit stop again. Cycles down. And then we're going to put it back to filter. And hit resume. I usually like to do a high cycle after this. So I'll hit quick clean. And it will say 60 minutes. If I want to do more, I can hit it again. We'll do 120. And then we just hit this little arrow. We're also going to make sure that the skimmer doesn't have any debris clogging it up. It's really not bad, but there's really nothing in it because I actually did it earlier today. But if there was debris in there, like grass or anything, I've put a like a wire. You can just pull up the wire. You can just dump it out in the rocks and push it back down. Quick dissolve, easy chlorine here. And I'm just going to throw in a couple of these. Here is our little robotic pool cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on. And then I'm going to hit this once and twice. Pool clean. And it's zoomy time.